Okay, let's have a look at page titles and meta descriptions. So if you're not sure what these are, your page title is what will appear in the purple font on a search result, the meta description underneath here. So these are changed in Shopify in, say, for a product, right down the bottom here in your SEO section, and the same, it's right down the bottom of the page in collections. So your page title appears here, and then the meta description. So I suggest that you go through and map what you already have in place for your page titles and then slowly work through and start rewriting these. The idea of mapping is that it will give you an idea on what you already have and make sure that you're not cannibalizing any of your keywords, meaning not using them on more than one page. So we want to include your keyword that you're trying to rank for here on that page and then not use that in a page title again and again throughout your page titles on your site. So a good thing to do to start mapping, rather than having to go in and out of all of these, if you wanted to have a look and see what was already happening on your site, there's two things that you can do. One is install a little Chrome extension, which I like, called SEO Meta in one click. It's this one here. So what that does is put this little widget up here in the corner, and you can click on that and it will tell you the page title, description, and it also goes into H1s and H2s and images and all sorts of other things in here, which can be really handy when you're doing SEO. The other thing you can do if you don't want to have the extension is to simply go here and in front of the www, pop in a site and one of those, and this will show you your title and meta description there. So this is a big job, right? Going through and changing all of these. Where I would start first is to see where your pages are already ranking. If you already have some ranking, leave those page titles alone. You may like to look at the meta descriptions because they're not a ranking factor. If you think you can improve those and improve the sales copy in those, definitely go for that. But if the page is ranking, leave that page title alone and move on to other page titles that could do with some work. So I would start firstly with your collections, look at those first, and then move through your more popular products as you go. And it's something that you can just set yourself a goal to work on 4 to 5 different page titles and meta descriptions each week. And get started working on those. I hope you found the little demo helpful. If you have any questions or if you'd like some information regarding a template to help you map out these, please don't hesitate to drop a comment below and I'll get in touch with you and forward you over one of my free templates. All right, thanks. Bye.